Boone, hey man, good to see you, buddy.
Thank
so we got everything figured out here?
We do. Sounds like you all want some kind of a little explanation of what you're seeing. This is a 49,000 square foot building, metal roof, screwed down metal roof. I've owned the building for about 30 years, and this, well, I'll let he's panning around here. When he comes back, this corner of the building has always leaked. I could get it stopped. We'd work on it. We'd get it stopped for a year. We may have even gotten it stopped for 2 years, a time or two, but it always came back. We've had foam on it for a year now. You can see it's now, there's no seams. It's just continuous foam and coating. Makes a great system. The roof's stronger. It's not as bouncy here. I'm very happy. Roger and Anthony and Wes and Spray-Tec, in my opinion, have done a great job. And now we're looking at continuing on across the roof with the foam over the next couple of years, coating the rest of the building, or foaming and coating the rest of the building.
Well, Boone,
Does that say it?
Yeah, Boone, on behalf of Spray-Tec, we appreciate your business.
Well, I appreciate you all's good work.
Call Spray-Tec.
And even a good cameraman.